Hi everyone, this is my first ever floss tube. Wasn't sure whether I was going to do one or not. I did think, shall I, shan't I? And then I thought, oh, why not? Even if just one person watches it and I inspire one person to have a go, just like me. Does that make any difference, do you think? It's alright, I'm fiddling with this light here. I'll put it on, I don't think it makes much difference. Yeah, because I have just started. Why do you always get a cough when you got to do a video? I've just started doing cross stitch. I've seen some of the ladies do it. Jen's been helping me from Jen's, what's her channel name? Hang on, let me get her channel name up. Jen's Creation and Craft. No, Jen's Creations Wall. She's been helping me because I wanted to have a go. I've seen a few of the ladies doing it, but she's the one that I said, oh, I can't do it. So I got myself a pattern, and the first one was balloons. And I got hold of Jen and I said, look, I can't do it. I can't do these lines going one way and then do the cross the other way. And she said, you know, you've got to give it time. You've only just started. So I had a go and I said, no, still can't get it. So she showed me how to do just one stitch at a time. And once she showed me that, I loved it. Absolutely loved it. So I did that one. I just did basic back stitch all the way round because I haven't learned, you know, how to do it around the thing. So it said for beginners to do this. So I was happy with that. I went a little bit wrong because I lost count down here, but if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know, would you? So that was my first. I thought, oh, right, I've got to get another one. I've got to get another one. So I got this one. Do you like my pussycats? My twins, Rachel Ray, Etsy shop. Get on there. Got some beautiful ones. Got this one. That's my back. It's not brilliant, but I've now learned how to thread on and thread off, as they say. I don't know what they call it. But this one had the pattern printed on it. The balloon one didn't. This one didn't. I found this one a lot harder with the print on. It confused me. You can see here where some of the print has gone wrong. It was slightly off. So the top half had sort of gone there and this bit had gone. I don't know how it did it. But when you were filling it in, you couldn't see where your next stitch was going. It was really, well, I found it really difficult. So I'm going to try and steer away from ones that have got patterns printed on them. So then I thought, I've got to go bigger. I've got to go bigger. I've gone from the balloons to that, so I've got to go up a stage. So speaking to, again, on my live, Rachel Ray comes up. She said, Caroline, there's a shop called Wise Badger. Get on there, have a look. Got loads and loads of different ones. So I thought, okie cookie. I've undone it. I've not taken it out. Let me do that. Not looked at it. So my husband very kindly, a late Christmas present, he said, I'll get you one. I said, are you sure? Yeah, he said, have you found one you like? I went, well, yeah, kind of, yeah, I found quite a few I like actually, but no, yeah, whittled it down. The girls helped me and decided on this one. So, move that one. It is, let me see, yeah, Wise Badger, there it is, up there. And what was this one? It was £19.45. It was on offer, and then there was £2.95 shipping, which I didn't think was bad. But I also got a little bitty one because my Millie wants to have a go. So I said, you need to go small. Oh, sorry, I knocked that. Need to go for a little one to start with. See if you like it. Because she's like me. If she gets overwhelmed, she'll give up. So it's got all the thread. It's got a cloth in there. And it's got a needle in there and the pattern. I won't show you that because that tells you all about it. But I thought she can have a go at that, see if she likes it. If she likes it, she can go up like me or go straight into one from here. So that one was £2.19, which I thought for £2.19, look at it. Is that focusing? Yeah, for £2.19, you can't grumble, can you? So yeah, so I've got that. So this is it. Shall I get it out so you haven't got the shine? So you've got all the threads. So I'll show you what you've got inside it. I won't show you the actual pattern. Right, is there an easy way to get in? Yes, there is. Oh, I've been so excited. We ordered it, and because it was over Christmas, they had got it in, but by the time our order went through, they'd sold out. So they let us know that it's sold out. And then they contacted us then to say that they got through. Look at that face. This is from Bossy Threads. This is a poppy field. I absolutely are in love with this series from Bossy Threads. There's about 20 just in this series that I would love to have, because it's all animals and I just love the way she's done it. The designer Hannah says here, Rendale Designs by Hannah Dale. This kit contains 14 count Ada with a printed speckled background, pre-sorted stranded cottons, needle, stitch diagram and instructions. Finished size 26 centimeters by 26 centimeters. This kit uses full cross stitches and back stitches. I didn't want anything more complicated than that, like half stitches and something else the other kit had, and yeah, that confused me. So we're going to do that. So that's my needle. And they're usually very blunt, which I need. Although, can you see them? I don't know if you can see them two little crosses there. I did manage to stab myself with that needle. So that's that. So this is the material. Now, 14 count took me ages. See these little holes? See these little holes? And there's like 4 in a square. You can see, oh, you can't see my bloody finger there. See them 4 little holes? It is 10, is it 10 centimetres? Is it 10 centimetres? Let me get a ruler. Yeah, for every 10 centimetres is how many of them squares are in a block. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that. Or is that in a line? No, it can't be in a line. It's something to do like that. I don't know. There's me trying to look like I know what I'm doing. But it's something to do with the block. How many stitches in a... Or is it in an inch block? I've forgotten. Hang on. Let me go and have a look. Just looked it up and it says appropriately called even weave fabrics. They are perfect for cross stitch because they produce evenly sized stitches. This is the stuff. The number of squares per inch determines the count of the fabric. For example, the 14 count Ada, this stuff, has 14 squares, so 14 of these little doodly ones per inch. Let's see. So we started on that one. There's your inch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So I don't know, is it approximately? If that's the case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 13 and a half. No, 14. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got there. We got there, didn't we? I might try and edit. If I don't edit like that, I'm really sorry. It shows that I'm a newbie. Put it all in, because then you know I am completely new to it. I have no idea. I am having to look up everything. as I'm going. So these are all my threads, and apparently that's all your signs. So the top row here is the top row of symbols there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 across there, and then 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on the bottom. So I presume, and then they give you a thread chart, which tells you the off-white is the W, the coral is a 0, so that matches up with that. Yeah, so that's easy peasy. And then there is a chart. I won't show you the chart. Hang on, let me just put a piece of paper over the chart. But it's a bit like diamond painting. So you've got the squares, and they'll put them symbols in them squares. So wherever that symbol is, that's where you put your cross. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And I think it tells you whether you need one thread or 2 threads, because each one of these, I found out, each strand, oh god, I can't even pick them up, come on, can I? Each one of those has got 6 individual little strands in there. Can you see all them in there? Not focusing, is it? Can you see them? Is that a better one? There's a darker one, maybe better for you to see. So I've just found when I've started, because I thought you'd use all the threads, but you don't. There's 6 threads there. Sometimes they tell you to use 1 thread together, sometimes they tell you 2. So I was pulling 2 out, and then I looked at a couple of videos, and it said it shows you how these different methods to start off, and one was to fold the long strand, because I was finding it was too long, in half, and then you've got like a 2-stranded one. But do what I didn't do. Have a look on YouTube. Oh, and there's telling you some of their patterns and things that they do. There is hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them on there. So can you see that there? You can pause it, and that'll tell you the address. I've even got Facebook for the Boffy threads. That's there for the Boffy threads if you just wanted to go straight onto Boffy. And if not, you want to go onto Wise Badger, and that has got loads and loads of different makes on there. So either one of those will bring these up. So I've got that one to do, which I'm going to start today when Millie comes. And then I went to the paper shop to get my husband a magazine, and I saw this. Cross stitcher, more ideas, more style. So I thought, I don't know if it's going to help me, but I thought it ain't going to harm me to get it. So let's have a look. It was $4.99 for the magazine, which is about average round here for magazines. I think Grant's was $5.99 for his carving magazine. So what we've got there, Forever Yours needle case kit. White Ada fabric, printed cotton fabric, white felt, blue satin ribbon, stranded cotton, needle easy stitch chart, includes alphabet to add your own initial. Oh, that's good. Look, it's a needle doodah, needle case, and you can put your own initial in there. So I can put my own initial, and that's all the fabric. So that could be interesting, couldn't it? It's a nice little size to keep all my needles, because I haven't got anything to keep the needles in at the moment. So I will be definitely doing that. And it says Pots of Love, stitch and send sweet Valentine's cards. So, ooh, can you see it? Yeah. Winter workbox seasonal sewing gifts. 68 designs you'll love. So that's everything you need to make a needle case. That's what we're doing. I'll quickly turn that over. And then that's all your bits in there. So I thought, and that tells you all the different things. So I thought, well, I'll have a little look. If it's no good and it's too advanced, I'll just skip through some patterns in there. Just skip quickly through it, so I won't linger on them. So I thought, well, I'll have a look. If it's no good, I won't buy it again. But I thought I'd try. So that's going to be my project. So for my first flow tube, for my first floss tube, that is what I'm going to do. So I'll keep you all updated as I'm going. But as I say, Jen's helped me a lot, and I've had a look on a few different channels now. I'm not really sure what channels to look at. So if anybody knows of any channels that are good and explain things easily, if I put it like that, the light doesn't shine on it. Somebody that explains things simply, because I'm not the brightest button in the box, or as they say, so it takes me a long time to grasp things. I mean, a lot of the creators on YouTube at the moment, they're shown it once and they're away. You know, they'll start off like that, and within 2 weeks they're doing something that's like 26 inches by 26 inches. Do you know what I mean? And they know they could do every stitch in the box. Me, nah, it's going to take me a long time. So I thought, well, you can come on the journey, same as my colouring. It's going to take me, but I'm getting there. And I wanted to show people that it doesn't matter what stage you are, or how good you are at things, or how bad you are. Everybody can have a go. And I'm proof. If I can do it, and as I say, I'm a very slow learner, and you can see I'm showing you stage by stage what I'm doing, then you can do it. So as I say, leave any comments you want down below. Good, bad, or indifferent, I don't mind. If you like what you see and you want to see some more, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, I'd really appreciate it. I mean, you don't have to, that's fine. And the ones that have subscribed, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I've had a few new ones like recently, and it means the world. And it means the world that my oldies still come back time after time. Thank you. I do. And I mean that. Really do appreciate it. So take care. All my information's down below if you want to know anything. So take care, look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.